And let's start. So our topic today is jungle. And who lives in jungle mostly? Different animals, right? So let's check how many animals we know. Please, you can use your handout or my screen. Find there. What animals can you find there? You can write to me your answers, or you can. Hey, we have giraffe. Nice. Okay. Just some students have problems with the sound. That's why I'm trying to help them. So I'm sorry for the. So you find what type of blue whale, crocodile, chameleon? Super. Okay, let me do it together with you. So we have blue whale, right? The biggest mammal, right? We have chameleon, that's what you find. Crocodile, right? Okay, gorilla, super. What else? You can find animals not only vertically, but not only horizontally, but also vertically or diagonally. Super. You wrote to me blue whale, gorilla, crocodile, chameleon. Great, excellent. What else? Look here. It starts with this letter. Super, Julia have found, and Svetoslav have found snake. Well done. What else? It starts here and goes down. What animal is there? Hippo, Natalia. Well done. Excellent. Julia, Natalia, Mikhail, Marina. Great. Hippo. Excellent. These are some animals. Not all of them live in jungle, right? But most of them do. Great job. Now, well, let's do some more interesting activities. And now we will play true or false. You will see some questions on your screen. Read the sentence and, read the sentence, you will see it, and write true or false. The heart of a blue whale is as big as a car. Can you believe it? Do you think it is true or false? Leo. Yes, Dima, that's right. Okay, I'm waiting for 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm closing this poll and I'm going to share the results with you. Next, let's do another one. Do you believe in this fact? Hippos are born underwater. Hippos are born underwater. Do you believe this? Very interesting. We have different, it's like 50-50. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the poll and sharing results with you. In this case, slightly bigger amount think it's false, 53%. I will share all the correct answers with you in just 2 minutes. Gorillas sleep in a nest. Nest is a place where birds usually live. It is made of the grass, straws, yeah? They lay their eggs in the nest. Do you believe this? Is it true or false? All right. I think that after the lesson, you can go to the internet and check these facts. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing the poll and sharing the results with you. Here we have that 61% of you believe this is false. Well, let's see. And our last question. Crocodile carries her babies in her mouth. Can you imagine this? Is it safe for babies? True or false? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm closing this poll and sharing the results with you. This time, most of you believe this is true. Yeah, like 67% of you think it's true. Well, thank you very much for your answers, for your participation. Now, let's check. The heart of the blue whale is as big as a car. It's true. Hippos are born underwater. It's true. Gorillas sleep in a nest. That's also true. A crocodile carries her babies in her mouth. And this is true. So all 4 sentences are true. Now my question to you. These 4 sentences, how can we call them? They are facts. Some interesting facts about animals. Do you know any interesting facts about other animals? If you do, please write to me. I will be happy to read them. Also, sometimes you can read not just interesting facts, but some useful facts. For example, about this chameleon. This is its fact file. You can find some information that tells us about this animal. Let's decide how to call the category. Look at these words: animal diet, type of animal, country, name, size, weight, description, interesting fact. Now look at the chart. Panther chameleon. What is it? This is the name of the animal, right? We also have reptile. What word suits reptile? This is okay, you can now read and mention. I'm going to read some interesting facts from you. Timothy wrote to us, a snail can sleep for 3 years. Wow. Dima wrote to us that hamsters are very funny. That's true. Great. So reptile is the type of animal. Animal class, wonderful, Ilya. Or easier to say it's type of animal. Green, yellow, but changes color, and big eyes. What is this? Moxis is the oldest plants in the world. Wow, Charlotte, very interesting. Thank you. So, this information, green, yellow, but changes color, big eyes, this is the description, yes? How the animal looks like. Pandas can survive without food for a month. Wonderful, Julia, thank you. An elephant tooth can weigh up to 9 kilograms. Mikhail, thanks. Brachiosaurus had the smallest size of the brain compared to its body. Svetoslav, very interesting fact. Forest of Madagascar, what is this? This is the country. Carnivore, chameleon, invisible animal. Yes, Evgeny, you are right. Hippos are dangerous, Charlotte. Thank you very much. Thank you for your great ideas and interesting facts. That's wonderful that you are so interested in the animals. Now my question to you is, you can see here the word carnivore. Any ideas what carnivore can mean? If the animal is carnivore, what a type of animal it is? For example, a tiger, yes. Cats can discover any disaster like volcano eruption. Interesting. So carnivore are the animals who eat, what do you think? Carnivore animals eat only grass or they eat meat? What do you think? Timothy, you're on the right track, but listen to my question. Do carnivore animals eat only grass or meat? Yes, some of you wrote to me meat. Yes, carnivore animals eat meat. Wonderful. And all those who eat only grass are herbivore, like herbivore. Get 63 centimeters long. What is it? We have the words left: size, weight, interesting fact. 63 centimeters long. This is size. Yes, you are right. Next, male, it means boys, yeah? 180 grams, female or girls, 100 grams. What is it? Weigh, Dima was, and wait, yeah, Mikhail and Dima were first to answer. Wonderful. So these are the facts about chameleons. I think it's a very interesting animal, a very interesting reptile. And the last one, a chameleon's tongue is as long as its body. This helps it to catch insects. This is an interesting fact. You are right, Mikhail. Well done. Very quick students we have today. Wonderful. And now, we find one type of animal, reptile. Let's have a look at other animals and match the animals to their types. For this, I'm going to make this bigger. So let's have a look at these animals and give me the letters. And we have here amphibian, bird, fish, mammal, and reptile. Thank you very much. Fish D wrote to me. Okay, wrote Dima to me. What about amphibian? What type of animal is it? Amphibian. A. Good. Yes, amphibians. Bird. I guess bird is very easy. A. Amphibian. Frog is amphibian. Or toad, Evgeny. Great. C is the bird. Yes, that's right. What about the What about the mammal? Mammals are the animals who drink mother's milk, like we. When human babies are born, they drink mommy's milk. The same is with mammals, like dogs, cats, monkeys, tigers. They are mammals, they drink mommy's milk. And reptile is E. Super. Great. Let's check. Here we are. Yeah, amphibian, bird, fish, mammal, and reptile. Well done. Great, Maria. Great, Evgeny, Svetoslav. Thank you very much for participation, Timofey, Mikhail. And now I see the most active students. So, guys, when we write a fact file, we need to follow the rules. First of all, make sure that any facts you write are correct. You can use the internet, encyclopedias to check if these facts are correct, or maybe your textbooks. When you tell about the animal, you use the present simple. You say, the bats sleep during the day, yeah, or tigers hunt the food. You use present simple. This fact file is a formal writing. Serious people read these fact files. It means we don't use contraction. We say full sentences. It has got. It is. I am. Or they are. They have got. Yeah? Next. We often explain why something is the way it is. And we use the word because to give a reason. A puffin needs strong wings because it uses them to fly and swim. Chameleon has very long tongue because it catches the flies. Yes, that's why we use this. Now, the task for you will be to complete the words with the correct, complete the gaps with the correct word. You can now use your mobile phone and scan this QR code, or you can open handout and find fact file link. Elephants have big ears, right, Charlotte? Great job. So either you scan the code or you use handout and click the link to open the game. I will show this QR code to you again, but now let me show you how it looks. So you will get 8 locks. This is the task for you will be to open all 8 locks. So one more time, I'm going to show you this QR code. For all of you to Okay, let's try. Let's try to lock. Let's try lock number 1. And panther chameleon is a type of animal. What type of animal it is? Reptile. Let's check. If I put the key, if it is correct, the key will open. Mammal are animals who that drink milk, and reptile are the animals like snakes, chameleons. Super. Lizards, yes. Next. So remember, we use this information. We use this information to complete the gaps. It has a green and yellow and big. Two parts of the body and use comma. So if to look at the chameleon, where is this picture? It has yellow and green something and big something, parts of the body. What words are missing? So the chameleon has got a green and yellow skin, very nice, but together, how we can call it? Eyes, yes, Anastasia, that's right. And body and eyes. And big eyes, super girls. Yes. Next, number 3. It lives in the of Madagascar. What word is hidden there? There are lots of the trees there. So how we call this place where there are lots of the trees? Jungle, yes, but if to go to the fact file, look here and find this word. What word was in the fact file? It's important. Yes, Mikhail and Timofey, well done. And Dima wrote to me correctly. Forests, yes. So we need to copy the words the same as they are in the file. Yes, hooray. Next, number 4. We know it is a carnivore. It eats crickets, worms, and other insects. How we can match this? Forest, Anastasia, Vita, wonderful. Great job. Very active students with me today. So, look at the hint. We need one word to match 2 sentences. Why is this animal a carnivore? It eats crickets, worms, and other insects. How you explain, how you answer why something is like this? This word was in our tip. Last tip. Often we include facts in our writing. We explain why something is the way it is. We can use because to give a reason. For example, a puffin needs strong wings because it uses them to fly and swim. Oh, Julia and Ilya were the first students to answer. Great job. Yes, here we need, and Timofey, well done. Here we need because. Excellent. Yes. Next. So you see, we have opened 5 logs. What word is here? How to make the correct sentence? It 63 centimeters long. It size, not the very correct word. Here we need a verb. Yeah. The correct form of be. Timofey, Mikhail wrote to me. Julia, well done. Is. Yes, great job, guys. Number 6, a male panther chameleon between 60 and 100 grams. Make the verb from the word from weight. Yes, Julia, great job. Weight. Weighs. The verb is weighs. My weight is 60 grams. This chameleon weighs. This is the verb. It weighs. Remember your pet. Write to me how much your pets weigh. For example, my dog weighs 10 kilograms. What about your pets? Julia, well done. Yes, give me the full sentence, like my parrot weighs 9 kilograms. Or my snake, what pets do you have? You need to use this word, weighs. Super. Nazar, my cat weighs 3 kilograms. My fish weighs 2 grams. My cat weighs 5 kilograms. My hamster weighs 46 grams. Great job. My cat weighs 2 kilograms. Excellent. Well done. My dog weighs 6 kilograms. My 11 cats, in this case, weigh. Yeah, one cat weighs, many cats weigh 1 to 3 kilograms. Great job. Wonderful, guys. Next, chameleons are interesting. Their tongues are as long as their bodies. Again, here we have two sentences. We need to match these sentences. Why chameleons are interesting? Dima was the first. My dog weighs 11 kilograms. Great. Wow, yes. Vita, Timothy, Charlotta. Excellent, Mikhail, Timothy, because that's right. Because. Let's check. Yes, correct. And the last one. They have a long tongue. They need it to catch insects. Again, two sentences. They have a long tongue. They need it to catch insects. Why do they have a long tongue? Yes. Well done, guys. Because, yeah, we explain why. We explain why. Done, hooray. Now, again, you can use handout and play this game, or use this game to play with your friends to check what they know about these panther chameleons. Great job. Now, when we write fact files, we need to be careful about spelling. Check your spelling after you transfer information from the two texts. It's easy to make mistakes when you are in a hurry. And of course, remember the plural forms of verbs and nouns. For example, when I say, one chameleon weighs 100 grams, but two chameleons weigh. Yeah, I weigh, you weigh, he, she, it weighs, they weigh, we weigh. Yeah? Good. Now, finally, we are at our next and the last task. Here, we are going to complete a fact file about corn snake. Can you see the snake? It is like this. Look, we have an advert. One boy or girl wants to give her snake or his snake to another person. Maybe they move out. Anyway, this snake needs a new home. So he or she wrote an advert. Also, you can find some information about animals on the internet. Here we have the site and some facts about corn snakes. What we need? We need to read these two texts and complete fact file, this snake fact file. For this, I want you to work together with me. So for this, you need your mobile phone. You go to the site that is called Mainta.com. When you are there, you need to enter this code. So you open the internet or a new tab, and you go to Mainta.com. Please try. This is application where we will all see your answers, but nobody will know who wrote it. That will be interesting for us to compare. So once you are there on the Mainta.com, you need to enter the code and write down the information. You can write to me, for example, 1, country, continent. What country or what continent is it from? Please try. It must be very useful for you to super. Lots of you are already there. So very carefully read the fact file. Country and continent. Can you find in the first or in the second text where these snakes live? Do they live in Europe, in Africa, or maybe in America? Here is the help to you. Color. What color these animals are? Next, maximum age. Can you find how long this snake can live? Maximum. Not minimum, but the longest period, the most years. The oldest. Thank you very much. I see some of you wrote to me in the chat box. That's cool, but try to go to Mainta.com and share answers with all of us. Next, size. Can you find how big is this snake? And diet. Diet, it means what this animal eat. Oh, yes, great job. Lots of you wrote to me correct answers, but write to me the answers in the chat. What do these snakes eat? Diet is the last question. Let's check. Great, lots of you are joining. Super. Now you can find some answers like North America. Great. The color orange. What about the size? Rabbits. Okay, you need to use information from the text. Let's find. So, country and continent, North America. That's right. Next, color. Here we have that they are very pretty with their orange scales, right? This is their color, orange. Next, maximum age. They live, corn snakes can live for between 5 and 8 years. So what is the maximum age? 8, right? Minimum age 5 and maximum age 8 years. Size. Size is here in this text. Look, she is 100 centimeters long and isn't poisonous, so it's not dangerous. Animal diet. What animals does it eat? Can you find the answer in the text? Mice. Yeah, one mouse, many mice. So this small thin snake eats mice. I see your So let's see how many answers we have. 8, 100 centimeters, mice, North America, Miami, even very specific. Okay, very interesting. But we need to use information from the text. That's great that you have knowledge, that you know about snakes. But when we do some tasks like this, it's important to use the texts that you are given. So again, you need to retrieve the information here and to copy information from the text into the fact file. That's it. Well done. Anyway, let's check your other. Let's check your latest answers. Great job. Yes, well done. Excellent. Thank you very much for participation. Now, as the sum up, yeah, write to me the most interesting fact. Write to me the most interesting fact you find out today. So, guys, as for me, I learned from you a lot. I found out about pandas. I find out that lots of students are very active and they can understand facts about jungle animals. And now, write to me. What interesting facts do you know? Giraffes sleep in a nest. Were they giraffes or gorillas? Gorillas sleep in a nest, right? Snakes eat mice. Yes, that's an interesting fact. Chameleon is invisible. Great. Interesting facts about animals, about corn snakes and panther chameleon. I really like this lesson. Thank you very much, Ilya. I learned how many years to live snakes. Yes, Anastasia, they can live not so long, but interesting life. Corn snakes live 8 years. Gorillas sleep in a nest. You're welcome, Anna. Hippos are born in water. Yes, that's interesting, isn't it? Well done. Blue whales have a big heart. Yes, as big as a car. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Chameleon weighs 100 grams. That's right. So this lesson was prepared together with the books, the series that is called Close Up. This is the book full of interesting lessons, great ideas, and together with amazing words, amazing photos, and believable facts, it gives you lots of language, lots of vocabulary, necessary grammar, everything you need in order to speak English, to understand English, and to be successful in the tests. Thank you very much, dear students, for your active participation. I hope that all of you will receive the certificates. And if you don't, please write to me. You will, or you can use Viber to find out about the certificates, but please wait till tomorrow. It's not now. They can't be sent very soon, and the program does it automatically. For teachers, if you have any desire, we'll appreciate if you leave your feedback after the lesson. If you have any questions about this series, Close Up, anything about demo lessons, or you have some suggestions, again, you can use the feedback form after the webinar, or you can contact me. Also, subscribe to our Facebook pages. We share lots of interesting ideas, how to teach the students, some lesson ideas, and very important information for teachers and students. Tomorrow, we are going to announce a new year competition that would be an interesting competition for different age of students, and the prize would be the textbooks from National Geographic Learning. So, dear teachers, dear students, thank you very much for being today with me. I hope that you have some interesting information about the lesson, about how you can do it online with your students. I also hope the students will know and learn something interesting and go out the lesson with new knowledge. Please follow us, and very soon we'll announce our next lessons. Have a great evening. Take care. And again, thank you very much for all your participation and for giving me inspiration to prepare something like that more and more for you. So have a good evening and goodbye.